Hi everyone, good morning. So it's Friday and it's 10 o'clock in the morning, and today I'm gonna share with you my morning to afternoon routine. And today is special day for us because today is my grandmother-in-law and father-in-law's Shraddh. So I'm gonna cook something special for them. So today I'm gonna cook aloo chana ki sabji, kheer and puri. So I think it's been a long time I have not posted any video. So I thought why should not post any video for today, because today is a special day for us, and also I want to post a video on my channel. So that's why I'm here, and here I am making kheer. So I will put this milk in the pan. So I'm gonna take 2 packets of milk. This is full cream milk. So yeah, I have put both of packets in this pan, and now I will boil this milk properly. And here is rice, and I have soaked these rice for 2 hours, and now it has properly soaked. And I will do one thing with this rice. First I will drain the excess water, then I will like this. So I will break these rice like this, and it has crumbled very nicely. And now I'm gonna make a kheer. So here I'm kneading dough for puri. आप लोग क्या बोलते हैं आई डोंट नो, मैं कभी पूरी बोल देती हूँ, पूरी बोल देती. So I'm gonna make a dough for the puris. And so what I will do first I will put salt in this, and after that I will put some ajwain for the digestion, and then I will put some refined oil. So I'm gonna take 1 spoon of refined, and I'm gonna put on this. Yeah. So now let's move on to kneading the dough. So I'm gonna knead it. So my milk has boiled, and now I'm gonna put this rice in it. And what I will do, yeah, so I will put the rice like this, because milk has properly boiled. And I will cook the rice like this. I will show you. I will stir it like that. And yes, now I'm going to grate this tomato for the gravy. So I will cut it, and then I will grate it, because I can't use garlic and onion, so I will just use tomato for the puree. So now I'm gonna make aloo chana ki sabji. So first I will put mustard oil in this pan. So this amount is enough for the aloo chana ki sabji. So oil is heated, and now I'm gonna put cumin seed in this pan for tadka. And I will put hing also for the flavor, for digestion also. 1 pinch of hing I have put in this, and now I'll put the tomato puree in it. So yeah. And now I will put all the masalas. So first I will put 1 teaspoon, sorry, not a teaspoon, it's a little spoon. So I will put 1 spoon chili in it, and after that I will put 1 spoon turmeric powder and 2 spoons coriander powder. That's it. And I will mix it very well like this, and I will cook it for 2 or 3 minutes. Then after that I will put chanas and aloo in it. And you can see aloo has also changed their color, and I have put all the aloo chanas in this pan. Yeah, aloo chana and puri, all of us favorite. And now I will cook it for 5 to 6 minutes, and then I will take off it. So now you can see my kheer is also going to get ready, and now I'm going to put dry fruits in it. So I have crumbled all the dry fruits, and now I'm gonna put them in it. So I will put all the dry fruits in this kheer, and I will put sugar also. So sugar you can put as your taste, as according to your taste. So I will put little bit sugar in it because my mother-in-law has diabetes problem, so that's why I put little bit sugar in it. And after giving her I will put more sugar in it. So now it's time to make puris. So I'm gonna make puris, and I think the oil has been heated. So first I will check the oil has heated or not. So I think it will take more time to get heat. So till then I make small rotis. Then I will check again the oil has been heated or not. So I think it has been heated properly. Now I'm gonna put the small rotis in it one by one. it's time to have my breakfast, but before I eat I want to share with you, so have it by camera. Or now I'm going to have my breakfast, then I will catch you later. So sorry guys, I did not shoot in the afternoon because as you know, I took heavy breakfast in the morning, so I was feeling so sleepy, so that's why I did not shoot in the afternoon. And now it's evening and I'm making my evening tea, and my mother-in-law is making homemade ghee. So let me just show you how she makes homemade ghee. So here you can see my mother-in-law was making ghee, and the butter has turned into ghee. And here I am making my evening tea, and so you can see that it's homemade ghee and it is very tasty while we eat it with paratha, or we eat it with rotis, simple plain rotis. You can put them and just rub it between each other and just you can have it. So it's really makes our food tasty with this homemade ghee. So here I am having my evening tea and I sit on the floor because I love to sit on the floor while I am having tea or I am having coffee. So I love just sit on the floor, and I'm also having Parle-G biscuits with tea. And if you guys follow me, you know that how much I love Parle-G biscuits. So right now I'm having it with tea, and sometimes I have it with milk also. So it's so nice if you have it with water, with milk, with tea and coffee के साथ बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं होता है. So just I'm having it. So I just done with my evening tea, and now I'm gonna end off my today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you really enjoyed it, just give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please click on the bell icon for my latest video updates. So meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.